Namaste. Let us continue questions from exercise 6.3.
CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF such that D and H lie on sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, show that CD by GH equal to AC by FG. It is given triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. It is given these two triangles are similar and this angle's bisector is this one. So here and here measurement will be equal. Here also this angle's bisector is this line. So here the measurements are equal. Also these triangles are similar. We have to show CD by GH equal to AC by FG. As these two triangles are similar, we can say angle A equal to angle F, that is these angles are equal because similar triangles angles will be equal. Angle B equal to angle E and total angle, that is ACB, will be equal to FGE. Also we have this angle and this angle are equal. According to the question, here this is the bisector, so angle ACD, that is this angle ACD equal to angle DCB. Also in this triangle, angle FGH equal to angle HGE. Both are angle bisectors. Now we will consider only the upper triangles. Here we have this angle is equal. Also we have the total angles are equal because these bigger triangles are similar. Now we have half of this angle will be equal to half of this angle. Okay. Angle ACB equal to angle FGE. Then half of angle ACB equal to half of angle FGE. We are taking here the half on both sides. And angle ACB's half means ACB's, this is the total angle, half means let us consider this one because we need this half triangle. So we will take this half. So how will you write ACD? Angle ACD will be equal to half of FGE means here we have two halves, we will consider this one because we need the upper triangle. So this is FGH. So instead of this FGE, half of FGE means FGH, only this part, angle FGH. So in upper two triangles, we have these angles are equal because bigger triangles are similar. Also we got these halves are equal. Now according to AA similarity criterion, the upper triangles are similar. As these two triangles are similar, then we can say the sides proportionality. CD by GH equal to AC by FG. Hence proved. These are the proportionality of sides of these two similar triangles, the upper triangles. Next you have to prove triangle DCB similar triangle HGE. DCB similar to HGE. Again we will write angle B equal to angle E because these two bigger triangles are similar. Now we are going to take the half of this angle. So this time we will consider this half. No need to consider this upper half because we are talking about the below triangle. So this half, that means DCB. Angle DCB. It is the half of angle C, total angle. That we know they are equal because this bigger triangles are similar, so these angles will be equal. Now we took the half of that triangles, that will also be equal. That is DCB equal to, now this half means HGE, angle HGE. Now we got two angles are equal in these two triangles. So this triangle and this triangle will be similar according to AA similarity. That is what asked. Next, triangle DCA similar triangle HGF. Here these two triangles are similar, so these angles will be equal. These angles are also equal. Now we take the half. So this half and this half will be equal because angle C equal to angle G. Then taking the half, These will also be equal. Here this is equal because bigger triangles are similar. According to AA similarity, this upper triangle that is asked here, angle DCA. This is D, C and A. And HGF, this is HGF. According to AA similarity. That is, this angle and these halves are equal. So these two triangles are similar.
Next question. In the following figure, E is a point on side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC. If AD perpendicular BC and EF perpendicular AC, prove that triangle ABD similar triangle ECF. We have to prove the similarity of triangle ABD and ECF. The triangle lies like this, ECF. Now it is given these are perpendicular. Perpendicular line means they forms 90 degrees. Also, this is an isosceles triangle and were AB equal to AC given in the question. If these angles are equal in an isosceles triangle, where two sides are equal, their opposite angle will also be equal. That is, if this is equal, this angle, and if this is equal, this angle. These two angles will also be equal. Here in this, these sides are equal. So this angle and this angle are equal. Opposite to this angle. This side is opposite to this angle. Now comparing with these separated triangles, you can see in ABD, this is this angle. And here in this triangle, we have this angle. These are equal. Also, we have here 90 degree, that is this position, 90 degree. And in this triangle, we have this angle as 90 degree, that is this position, 90 degree. So, we got two angles are equal to each other in these two triangles. So, they are similar. So, how will we write? Angle ABD, that is this angle, equal to angle ECF, that is this angle and this angle. Reason is isosceles triangle property. Now next, angle D equal to angle F. Reason 90 degree. It is given in the question. So according to AA similarity, these two triangles, that is triangle ABD, similar to triangle ECF. Next question. Sides AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ, QR and median PM of triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. ABC similar triangle PQR. This we have to show. So here it is given proportionality of some sides, that is AB by PQ from other triangle is equal to, next side mentioned in the question is BC by QR, BC by QR equal to, next it is given the medians AD by PM. This is given in the question, sides proportionality, but here it is the median. Median means it divides this side into two equal parts. Now let us consider this triangles. That is left side triangles. The triangle ABD and triangle PQM. Only half triangles. In that we have AB by PQ. It is already in the question. Equal to AD by PM again in the question. Now next we have BC by QR in the question, but we don't want the total BC length here. We are considering only this half triangle. So we need BD length. Actually BC's half is BD because this is the median. It divides this side into two equal parts. So we will write half BC by half QR. Now half BC means half of BC is BD. So we will write here BD. And half QR means half of QR is QM. So we will write QM. Now consider these two triangles. We got three sides proportionality, that is SSS similarity criteria, and we can say these triangles are similar. SSS similarity criteria, these two triangles are similar. We got. Now, if these two triangles are similar, we can say these angles will be equal because corresponding angles of a similar triangle. In similar triangles, all the angles will be equal to each other in those two triangles. So we can write angle B equal to angle Q. Reason is they are similar triangles. We proved now they are similar. Now checking the complete triangle. We need the similarity of the whole triangles. Checking with it, we got now angle B equal to angle Q, and we already have in the question AB by PQ is equal to this length, that is BC by QR. This is in the question. It is given. And we now got angle B and angle Q are equal. These angles are in the position of included angles. So side, angle, side. SAS similarity, we can say the whole triangle. Triangle ABC is similar with triangle PQR. So what we did, first we consider only half of the triangle. From that we find according to SSS similarity these triangles are similar. So as these are similar, we can say angles are also equal. Now consider the whole triangles. In that we have sides proportionality from the question itself. Now we got these included angles are equal. So according to SAS similarity criteria, the whole triangles are similar. Next question. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC. D is the point on BC, such that angle ADC equal to angle BAC. Angle ADC means this angle equal to BAC, this whole angle. These two angles are having equal measurement. Show that CA square equal to CB dot CD, that is CB into CD. This we have to show. So now consider triangle ADC, that is smaller triangle ADC, and triangle BAC, that is bigger triangle BAC. In that we have this angle and this angle are equal. Angle D equal to angle A. It is given here. In the question it is given. Now you can see angle C is common for both the triangles. For the smaller triangle and for the bigger triangle, we have the same angle C. So angle C equal to angle C common. According to AA similarity criteria, triangle ADC is similar to triangle BAC. Then we can say sides are proportional. So how will we write the sides? We can write AD by AB equal to CA by CB equal to CD by CA. AD by AB equal to CA by CB equal to CD by CA. We write the sides proportionality as these two triangles are similar. Now we can take the CB to the side and CA to the side. Don't want to consider this part because we need only this. So considering this CA goes to numerator, so it becomes CA into CA, that is CA square, equal to, here we have CD, already CD, CB taken to numerator, it is multiplication. So CB into CD is CB into CD. That is what we have to prove. We rearranged this and we got this step. Next question. Sides AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and QR and median PM of another triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. This we have to prove. Now let us write down the proportionality given. AB by PQ, it is given in the question, equal to AC by PR equal to AD by PM. In the previous question, instead of AC by PR, we have BC by QR. Now this side's proportionality is given. So let us check how will we prove this similarity. Let us construct a length to here, the side, that is this AD length and DE length are equal. Now join to the third side. Again, here we will construct N, that is MN length and PM length are equal. These two lengths are equal. Now join it with R. We constructed this. Now let us consider this triangle only. Here in triangle ABD and triangle CDE, we have this length and this length are equal according to our construction. We constructed as these two lengths are equal. Also we have this length and this length are equal. That is in this triangle, upper triangle and this below triangle, we have these two lengths equal as per our construction. That is AD equal to DE construction. We are considering triangles, triangle ABD. That is, this is ABD and this is triangle CDE. CDE. In that we got these are equal as per our construction. Now next, BD equal to DC. That is, this length and this length are equal because this is a median. It is given in the question. So BD equal to DC given in the question. They are median. Median cuts this side to two equal parts. So BD equal to DC. Also here we can see vertically opposite angles. That is this angle, angle ADB. Angle ADB equal to angle EDC. Angle EDC. Vertically opposite angle here and here. Vertically opposite angle. According to SAS congruency, we can say these two triangles are congruent. So SAS congruency, we can say triangle ABD, that is upper triangle, is congruent to triangle this one, EDC or CDE. These two triangles are congruent. So we can say that is these two triangles are congruent. Then these sides are equal according to CPCT. Corresponding part of congruent triangle. So we can write AB equal to CE. AB equal to CE. Corresponding part of congruent triangles. Now similarly here we constructed these two lengths are equal. As we did in this triangle, we are going to do the same here too. That is, we have in these two triangles, this length are equal. Here we have vertically opposite angles and this is a median, so these sides are equal. So these two triangles are congruent. Then we can say PQ equal to NR. The same steps here too. So PQ equal to NR. So we will rewrite this as, instead of AB we will write CE by PQ is NR, that is RN, equal to, here we have AC by PR equal to AD by PM. Only thing is that we substitute AB by CE and PQ by NR, that is RN. Now we got two steps like this. Now we can see AD by PM here. Instead of AD by PM, I am going to write 2AD by 2PM. As I am multiplying a 2 in numerator and 2 in denominator, the balance is there. Otherwise, we don't have the balance, it is not equal. Here, we are multiplying 2 on both numerator and denominator. So, we can write the same steps here, CE by RN equal to AC by PR. It will make any changes in the equality because there is a 2 in the numerator and 2 in denominator. Now, why we did this? We did this to change AD to AE. That is 2AD. 2AD. This is AD. This is also AD length. 2AD. We will get AE length, the total length. So instead of this, we will write CE by RN here. Now AC by PR. Instead of 2AD, 2AD is AE. That is AD and AD length is AE total by 2 PM. PM and again PM length is there. So 2 PM means total PN. Now we got this sides proportionality. Checking with the figure, we can see CE by RN. CE is this CE by RN equal to AC by PR equal to whole AE AE by PN, the total length. That is, this part of triangles are similar according to SSS similarity criterion. We got the sides proportionality. So SSS similarity says triangle ACE similar to triangle this part, that is PRN. Because we got sides proportionality. As these two triangles are similar, we can say this angle and this angle are equal because similar triangles angles are equal. That is, this we named as 2 and this is 4. Angle 2 equal to angle 4 because these triangles are similar. Now, as we did on right side, we are going to construct a triangle on the left side also. Then proceeding with all the same steps, last we will get this triangle and this triangle are similar triangles and angle 1 equal to angle 3. Similarly, we can prove angle 1 equal to angle 3. We are adding this. So this become angle 2 plus angle 1 is whole angle. That is angle A equal to angle 3 plus angle 4 is whole angle P. In the question it is given sides proportionality AB by PQ equal to AC by PR. Now we proved the included angles are equal. That is angle A equal to angle P. So according to SAS similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. SAS similarity criteria. Sides proportionality given in the question. Now we proved included angles are equal. So SAS similarity criteria. So we did so many constructions here. First we constructed a line which is equal to this median. And then we proved this triangle and this triangle are similar according to SSS similarity. So this angle and this angle are equal. Now similarly we need to construct here and join the line to this side and we will get this angle equal to this angle, that is angle 1 equal to angle 3. And then we added it, we got total angle A equal to total angle P, and according to side angle side similarity, these two bigger triangles are similar.